How to change language on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change language on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find it language, and if you want to change it, all you need to do is just select any language you want here, like this one. Click on it and then just wait and click confirm, and it will be saved, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.